All right, so I'm going to focus more on the share than on the show, but I'll do the show as well. Now what I wanted to do is I wanted to share a group that I found online. It's a Facebook group called Just Intarsia. And what I liked about this group, other than the fact that they were friendly, quick to answer questions, lots of great information, was that they do a bi-monthly challenge. So they're calling it Same Pattern, Different Hands. And they'll put out a pattern and challenge everybody to just make the same pattern. So you can see as everyone posts their progress and posts their final images, what everybody's work does, all working on towards the same pattern. You see all the variety of different woods and colors and the way they've done things up. So I had never done any Intarsia work until I came across this group in January. And so the January challenge was a simple 17-piece golf image. I don't know if you've got an image there. There we go. So this was my first attempt at doing Intarsia. At the end of the 2-month challenge period, they take a draw out of everybody that's completed the project and give away a prize. So depending on what was donated, the first January-February challenge was 12 dozen blades was the prize that was given away. And then from there, I moved on to the March and April.